Welcome, my name is Blaine Hull, and today, as part of Limitless Sound Studios, I'll be showing you how to set up and save a template in Pro Tools. The first thing you will need to do is set up your desired session. Here you can see we have a track channel, record channel, lead vocals, ad-libs, dubs and a mastering channel set up. Once you are happy with your session setup, head to the top left and press File. Scroll down to Save as Template and then click on Save as Template. Once the banner appears, name your template relevant to its use. For example, we're going to name this template Rap Hip Hop Vox Template. After we press OK, you can check to see if it's saved correctly at the top of your session. Once we are sure it has saved correctly, we can press Save on this session and then exit Pro Tools. Now that we have quit Pro Tools, we can bring Pro Tools back up, but this time we can open the session with the template we have already created in place. While we wait on Pro Tools, I'll dive in and let you know just why templates are so helpful. They improve efficiency and productivity, and no matter if you're recording yourself or others, productivity and efficiency are greatly important. Now we have our loadout screen. Ensure Create from Template is clicked, and then simply find our Rap Hip Hop Vox template we just created. Make sure everything else is set up how you want it, and then press Create. And if all steps have been followed correctly, we now have our previous Pro Tools session opened up as a template, ready for a new recording session. As you can see, we have all our old channels set up and ready to go. You can set it up in even greater depth to improve productivity further, but for now and for the purposes of this video, this is a great base template. So with all this being said, I hope this video was helpful and I hope you were able to learn something. And from everyone at Limitless Sound Studios, we would like to say thank you for tuning in.